Rainbow of Sounds Music School kepada Nakshonong Maubri Riboy District kepada perlong Sisim Citayo hak sisa jany Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri kedan bunjait kirukom hikai hak liang ke tem kaput bat karwai ke siau. Keyboard, gitar, western vocal, Indian classical vocal, kasih instruments bat kasih vocal. Kikana akibahan news nam senang kila banwan pentebit hageneg music school bat amdan jinge nagam tagi belarang baru banwan pentebit hageneg music school. Ka bernihat Riboy District keberi kawai neng gijaka kabagi karkhana baper kidon hageneg kathan bat dagjing don jong kita ki karkhana kal air hageneg kathan galong basniu bat kabajebo bat kala long gal air bi nagam tagi kelung kena bat gibala temen. Halor gane jinglong jingman jong gane kathan ke pamat nya gal air jabo mat kamariang kabala abat nong bak kabala sniu ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board jong katanat Forest and Environment jong sarkar jilla mentang sengi gala perlong ya ke capacity building workshop halor ke National Clean Air Program yang bala perlong ha CTI bernihan. Ha gane sengi lawan ru bane simbenta Daw Zayed Muhammad Razi ubedi Commissioner and Secretary katanat Forest and Environment jong sarkar jilla ha ka jingin don lang jong u Dr. Manju Natha ubedi Chairman jong ga MSPCB UR Naina Malay ubedi Member Secretary uba MB Tongper ubedi ADC ke Riboy District bat giwei officer na katanat sarkar baper.
Today, Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, we have organized this capacity building workshop for implementation of National Clean Air Program. This National Clean Air Program is launched by Ministry of Environment and Forest, Government of India in 2019 with the aim to reduce particulate matter at PM10 level. That is the dust particle size of 10 to 2.5 diameter. To reduce this PM10 level by 40% by 2025. This is the aim of the program. In 131 non-attainment cities across the countries. There are 131 non-attainment cities where the lot of air pollution problem is there. So in Meghalaya, the Barniat figures in under this 131 non-attainment cities, where in Barniat air quality is poor. Yet the air quality is poor because there are 15 industries present in the Barniat, and also we have a stone crushers and stone quarries. All these industries and also other across the border in Assam side also there are quite a lot number of industries are there. Because of these industries, there is a air pollution problem in Barniat. The PM10 level is very high. So and also there is a lot of emission of effluents from the industries. Because of this, the air quality is poor in Barniat during the dry season, whereas during the rainy season the air quality is moderate. Still, we have to improve the air quality of Barniat. So for this, state government we have prepared an action plan to improve the air quality of the Barniat cities and to prevent the air pollution in Barniat cities. So this action plan is being implemented by Deputy Commissioner Office. Then various line departments also involved in this improving the air quality of the Barniat cities, like Industries Department, Forest Department, Urban Department, Agriculture Department. So this program we are implementing in the state to improve the air quality of the Barniat cities, which is a non-attainment cities. In today's workshop, we are conducting this workshop to sensitize and coordinate among all the line department and also to sensitize the stakeholders like industries. We have invited industries also. We have invited stone quarry and stone crusher representative also for this workshop to sensitize them and to do their job also to reduce the emission of this pollutant from the industries, dust pollution from the stone quarry and stone crushers. The workshop to sensitize them and to work together to improve